Hello. So I wanted to go over color today. I have a few just tips and pointers that could help you whenever you're designing something and just where you could get color from. So I've shared this before. The Designer Daily Report, it has a palette of the day, and you can see how like the color is used in design. And so this is kind of like a lot of color, but if you were just trying to find some inspiration for the day, this could even be like what are they called? A challenge or whatever, right? Like you're just like, I just want to design something. I'm going to use these colors today. What can I design? Like I said, I've shared this before. This is really cool for designers. It's got a lot of great things for you. Another great place, of course, good old Pinterest. You can search color palette design, and then there's just a ton of different colors that you can play with. Some even have the codes for you. And then it's got like it's visual, so you can see how the colors look together, things like that. So Pinterest is a great place. You can also, like if you're going into fall or winter or summer, you can type in summer color palettes, winter color palettes, fall, holiday, whatever, right? You can search all kinds. So if you are a designer and there's so many things you can look up to about color. Color has your psychology of color, color theory, all these different things. But just real quick with the color wheel, a really great role is complementary colors. And what that means is it's the color that's across from each other. So complementary colors are like blue and orange, yellow and purple, green and red. So any color that's right across from another color is a complementary color. And for instance, blue and orange is extremely popular in design, and you can even look at movie posters. You see a lot of blue and orange, a lot of if you're ever kind of just stuck, like grab a color wheel and just do colors from across each other, and those colors are going to work. You got a cool and a warm color. Also, so if you're a designer working for a brand and they're very much like, we need to stay on trend. We need to, we need the color palettes that are coming up, things like that. And this is somebody, I'm not really a real big fashion person, but I do understand that, fashion in our world is like they spearhead design, color, things like that. And so, like, for instance, if you were to go to Gucci, Louis Vuitton, any of these big name fashion brands, they're going to have like pre-fall colors. So here on Gucci, you see like their fall is maroons and blacks, more maroon, cream color, brown. And so this can be a palette that you work with, coming into the fall, your fall designs. And then also you have like even these pastel colors that you could work with. And Pantone actually has this really cool fashion color trends, New York Fashion Week, autumn, winter. So to me, this is really, really neat. Like this is all, especially for us as designers, this is all set up for us. And then you can see this came out in February. So they're very much ahead of the curve. Autumn, winter, 2024, 2025. So, and these are all set up for you, ready to go. So you've got these palettes you can use for your designs for like, brands that are wanting to stay in the forefront of colors. And so let's say, so what you do, so you can click on this or one of the swatches, and then it's going to take you to the color, and then you can download it, and then you can bring it on to your desktop or whatever. Just an idea. If you wanted to, you could go and download, all of these different color palettes. So this is the autumn winter classic look. So you could download these and kind of create your own palette for the year, if that's what you're wanting to use to design. And just going back to real quick about like what I was talking about for contrast colors or complementary colors, which are contrast colors that go across from each other. You can see them right here. Like, see the red and greens that they're using, red and green. And then even on like this one, you've got like the warm and cool, the orange, you know what I mean? The warm and cool. So complementary colors are just a go-to for when it comes to colors. So I hope this helps you guys. I will post the links to the Pantone. I think this is really cool when you're starting, your year, a place you can go to, get colors. Like I said, using fashion, all the big, huge names, looking up their fashion collection for the upcoming year is a good place to find color palettes. Pinterest, again, is a good go-to. And then the Design Daily Report, it just has so many things for you as a designer, and then like a cool little palette of the day. So I hope this helps. Bye.